Hello everyone, we're here at the Hilton Garden Inn, Albuquerque North Journal Center, and let's take a quick hotel room tour of a standard room with a king-size bed. I'm in room 208. Let's go in. They have RFID key cards on the doors. And right as you walk in, there's a little entranceway with the light switch. And interestingly enough, we have an electrical panel. Siemens electrical panel. Looks like 140 amp service to this unit, as you can see there. Interesting that's accessible in a hotel. And then to the right, we have the very compact closet area with some open shelves and drawers. Closet area, and then the ironing board is stored on the left side. You also get some room up top. And then coming over here, we have the mini bar area where you have the concealed refrigerator. Danby. Oops. The refrigerator there. And then you also have the microwave. And then you have some waters. They're not really complimentary unless you're one of their loyalty program. And then an ice bucket. They have a Keurig coffee maker here. And some supplies. There's a look into the main part of the room. And let's do a quick tour of the bathroom. Over here you have the walk-in shower. It's pretty nice, but the shower head does tend to spray outside a lot if you don't close the door. So that's why I had to put the towels on the floor there. Normally get 2 bath towels and 2 hand towels, as well as 2 wash rags. And there's a lighted mirror. There I am. And then over here on the shelf we have the other toiletries. We have Neutrogena branded as typical for Hilton properties. Shampoo, conditioner, lotion, the bath soap. Then you also get the vanity kit, a shower cap, and a sewing kit. So that's pretty nice. We also have makeup remover, a shoe mitt, I guess. And then you usually get 2 paper cups, of course encased in plastic. And then we have the tissue dispenser and then the regular hand soap. The toilet is pretty low to the ground, and it kind of like a power flush. It's still kind of like a regular design, but yeah, it's pretty low to the ground. You also have in the shower you have a little shelf to the left and I guess another shelf to the right. It's not really big enough to be a bench though. So yeah, there's the bathroom. And then coming over here we have the main part of the room. The king-size bed, and then over here we have the thermostat. It's an Amana, and the odd thing is that it only has the fan on low. If you put the fan on high, it just turns off, so the fan can only be on low, which is kind of odd. So let's turn the fan off for now. Large body mirror to the left, and then we have a table lamp here, pretty large one. And on this nightstand we have 2 power outlets, 2 USB ports, and a reading light. LED. There's the main part of the bed. And then over here we have this bench, I guess, to put your luggage on, because they don't give you a regular luggage rack at all. Then you have the television cabinet. They do get DirecTV HD service, same as the Homewood Suites. We have some literature down there, since there are no drawers in the nightstands. And then over here we get like the desk and seating area. Rolling chair here, a desk lamp, LED, 2 power outlets, 2 USB ports right there built into the desk. Then we have the Amana climate control unit. This one's in better shape than the Homewood Suites, but it does run pretty loud and you can hear the units on the floors above or below, even when this is off. And I even flipped the breaker off just to make sure this wasn't making any buzzing noises, but that must be from the other rooms. And then out here we have the window. We have shade here, And then this other one's a blackout shade. There's a view out looking north, kind of in the corner here. Parking lot out there. There's part of the lobby area, still some snow on the roof. And the blackout curtain, it works pretty good because they're just decorative curtains. They don't close all the way, you can see. So you do have to rely completely on the two shades there on the window. And then over here we have another chair. Behind that there's a lamp and then a table. And then over here on this nightstand you don't have a light over here, you just still have the reading light. This one's kind of dimmer than the other ones. You have an older hotel phone, it looks like, kind of fraying there on the cords, but it does work. We have that Hotel Tech HT 105 or 150 alarm clock here. Same style. Has a dimmer. I think it has like 8 levels of brightness. Pretty basic. I mean, no radio functionality. They have another power port there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the room, and it's just okay. The room's kind of small in size, and the climate control unit, it's really annoying if you leave it on fan on heater cool. It actually doesn't stop the heater cool, it just like keeps it going at a very low power. So if you want the white noise, then the room will keep getting slightly hotter, slightly cooler, even though it's supposed to be set at a certain temperature. And if you just leave the fan on auto, when it turns on, it makes a really loud clicking noise. And it's really jarring, so it kind of woke me up a few times, so I had to leave it on low all the time. But the room did get kind of hot, so I just had to turn the unit to off and just run the fan only. But yeah, that's it for this hotel room tour, the Hilton Garden Inn, Albuquerque Journal Center North. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out more travel videos, some technology videos coming to the channel soon.